So now that we have gotten our web page running, we want to create an HTML template. The HTML template is the file we will render when going to a specific URL on our to-do list app. So to do this, open up the templates directory and create a file called home.html. Now, once we've created the file, you want to open the file and type in exclamation point and press tab. This will autocomplete the basic tags for a basic web page. Now, in the title tag, inside of the head tag, name the title to to-do list app. This will set the name of our browser tab when we go to our site. Then head on over to the body and type h1 hello from Flask and then the closing h1 tag. This will render the words hello from Flask with the h1 header. So first I will rename the title to to-do list app. Then I'll head on over to my body and type in the h1 tags and then type in hello from Flask here. Now we have gotten our basic template set up, but how do we render it? Earlier on in the app.py file, I imported the render template library when importing Flask. The render template library allows us to render HTML templates on our site. So in the home route, which is right here, we currently have return hello from Flask. We want to change that to return render template home.html. This will render the HTML template we just created. We can open up our terminal and run our script using Python 3 app.py. You use Python 3 if you're on Mac and Linux. If you're on Windows, you just do Python app.py. Open up your browser and head on over to localhost 5000. This will show our site right here. Here you can see hello from Flask rendered from this home.html template. This is exactly what we typed in here, and it's rendered right here because of the render template library that we imported. In the next video, I'll be showing you guys how to create the database tables and the database file for our app. So in the previous video, I showed you guys how to make an HTML template. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to set up the database. So first, you want to create a file called database.db. So I'm going to go into our project directory and then create a file called database.db. Then you want to install a few things in Python. So open up your terminal and do pip3 install flask _SQL alchemy. SQL alchemy is the ORM we will be using to connect to our database. Once you've installed it, you want to import it. So go to your Python file and go to the top and type in from flask _SQL alchemy, import SQL alchemy. Next, you want to create a variable called db and then set the value to SQL alchemy and then app. This will create the database instance. Next, we want to link our database to our Python file. So we're just going to do app.config and then SQL alchemy and underscore database URI. And then since we're going to be doing a SQLite database, we're going to do SQLite and then colon and then 3 forward slashes and then type in database.db. Now we have successfully connected to our database. In the next video, I'll be showing you guys how to create the tables.